Hundreds of kilometers away from home, the Assamese community in Shillong is celebrating Bihu with deep religious fervor. Once the capital of undivided Assam, Shillong continues to host a vibrant Assamese population that preserves and nurtures its cultural heritage through the celebration of traditional festivals. Mak Bihu, also known as Bhogali Bihu, is a harvest festival widely celebrated across Assam and the northeast. True to its name, which translates to enjoyment and feasting, Bhogali Bihu is a time of communal joy and togetherness. One such celebration was held at the Namghar near Shankar Dev College in Bishnupur.
We have been celebrating this Maghi Bihu right from the inception, which was our center was established in the 1949. Right from that time, we have been celebrating this Bihu. It's not like in the Bihu which we observe in the village. You see, village people, they observe in a much way. You see, a lot of people say they here. As you know, we are in so to say, what should I say? We are very less people here, but still we are observing this. We are not lagging behind to observe our Bihu, this Maghi Bihu.
The all